What do you know by genetic engineering? The scientific alteration of the structure of genetic material in a living organism. It involves the production and use of recombinant DNA and has been employed to create bacteria that synthesize insulin and other human proteins. Genetic engineering is widely employed as a tool in modern crop improvements. Recombinant DNA technology, popularly termed gene cloning or genetic engineering, offer unlimited opportunities for creating new combination of genes. Genetic engineering can be defined as the formation of new combinations of heritable material by the insertion of foreign nucleic acid molecule from other sources. The foreign genes are generally incorporated into a host organism either through a bacterial plasmid or a virus, which acts as vectors, that is, vehicular traffic. It becomes possible to produce desired changes in the characteristics of the organisms. Example, Escherichia coli is made to produce human insulin by the introduction of human insulin producing gene into the bacterial plasmid. Genetic engineering is a tool used in modern crop improvement programs. Addition of genes or DNA, that is foreign genes, from one plant or a microbe to another plant is called a transgenic plant. Herbicide resistance, saline resistance, altered flower color, improved protein quality, and protection against viral infection are few examples of recently formed transgenic higher plants by using this technology. Example, tobacco, tomato, potato, sunflower, and apple. What do you know about the improved varieties? An improved variety is one that is superior to other existing varieties in one or few characters. It may show high yield than other varieties, early maturity, disease, and pest resistance. By making use of modern technologies like biotechnology, tissue culture, and conventional breeding methods, new improved crops are obtained with desirable characters that suits well to the existing environment without polluting or altering it in any way.